Think about how Alexa understands your voice commands, Spotify recommends your next favorite song, or Netflix curates your watch list, all thanks to data science. Self-driving cars navigate roads, predictive analytics in healthcare saving lives, or even fraud detection in banking. These are just a few of the ways that data science impacts our daily lives. Hi, I am Dhananjay and welcome to CourseCorrect. Today I am breaking down the top 5 data science courses for 2025. These are curated based on expert picks, career boosting ROI, and some real world stories from students. And here's why data science matters. Data science isn't just a trend right now. It's the must-have skill for 2025, with salaries averaging 120,000 plus in the US and demand soaring across industries like tech, healthcare, and finance. Now's precisely the right time. First up, we have the data science specialization on Coursera created by Johns Hopkins University. This is a 10-course program that's perfect for beginners who want to learn R programming, data visualization, and machine learning. The curriculum is comprehensive. You'll work on real-world projects, including a capstone project where you built a data product. It is precisely for beginners looking for a structured and affordable path into data science. If you're juggling a full-time job, the self-paced format is a bonus. In terms of ROI, at just $49 per month, most students complete this in about 6 to 8 months. That's under $400 for a certification from a top university. Did you know that Jeff Leake, one of the course's instructors, is a prominent figure in the data science community? His blog and research are widely respected. In terms of career impact, once you finish this course, according to Coursera, 50% of graduates report starting a new career and 24% report getting a pay raise or promotion. Now the second course is the Applied Data Science with Python specialization on Coursera, offered by the University of Michigan. If you are someone who's already familiar with Python basics, this course dives deep into using libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Scikit. Learn to perform data analysis and machine learning. This course is more relevant for intermediate learners who want to specialize in Python-based data science. The ROI for this course, well, again, this is $49 a month. The program usually takes around 5 to 6 months to complete, which totals around $300. It's a very small investment for skills that are highly marketable. Now, this course is taught by faculty from a top-ranked institution, the University of Michigan. This course has glowing reviews for its practical approach. Completing this specialization can help you land roles like data analyst or machine learning engineer, with starting salaries of somewhere around $100,000 in the US. The third course on my list is the Harvard Professional Certificate in Data Science. Who wouldn't want Harvard on their resume, right? The Harvard Professional Certificate in Data Science on edX is a prestigious program that covers R programming, machine learning, and data wrangling, all the foundational skills you need to excel. Now, this course is for professionals ready to commit to a rigorous program and elevate their credentials. In terms of ROI, this course is a bit costly, upwards of $1,000, but think of it as an investment. This certificate from Harvard could be the differentiator that gets you into high-paying roles. Professor Rafael Irizarry, a co-creator of this course, is a renowned data scientist whose work has been cited extensively. Once this course is completed, graduates often move into roles like data scientist or statistical analyst, with average salaries exceeding $120,000. The next course on data science is Complete Bootcamp by Kirill Eremenko on Udemy. If you are on a tight budget and still want a comprehensive learning experience, check out the data science course. This course covers Python, statistics, and even deep learning. Now again, this course is for beginners who prefer self-paced learning and want to get hands-on projects. At just $100, it's one of the most affordable options on the list. Plus, you get lifetime access. With over 140,000 reviews and a 4.6 rating, this course is one of Udemy's best-selling data science programs. In terms of career advancement, while you may need to supplement this course with additional learning, it still sets a strong foundation for entry-level data science roles with salaries averaging close to $75,000 to $80,000. The next course is the old school IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. This program includes 9 courses covering Python, SQL, and data visualization. Plus, it's backed by one of the biggest names in tech, IBM. And again, this course is for aspiring data professionals who want an industry recognized certification. In terms of ROI, this course is just for $40 per month. It's highly affordable. Most students finish it in about 6 months. making it a $230 investment for a prestigious credential. And also IBM has partnerships with companies like Google, Apple, and this certificate is often recommended for entry-level roles. Graduates report landing roles as data analysts with salaries averaging close to $70,000. It's also a great stepping stone to advanced certifications. So there you have it. The top 5 data science courses for 2025. Whether you are just starting out or looking to level up, there's something here for everyone. If you want to know more about data science bootcamps, check out this video. If you're looking for the top 5 data analyst courses, check out this video. Check out the links in the description and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more career boosting content. Remember, the future is data and it's yours to conquer.